Hey YouTube, it's Lance Away here. I just wanted to do a video on the 2014 Honda Grom. This is a rack install, and I picked this up off of eBay from, I believe it's a Hong Kong seller. It is an H2C rack. It does come with 4 bolts and 4 washers, and it looks like a pretty simple install, so not too much detail to go into. Just 4 bolts to remove and replace with the replacement. You're just going to have to move the wiring harness and get it out of the way. But pretty simple install. Let's just get to it. So it's just a 12mm socket. I did install a fender eliminator, so I think the rack will go under the seat, and then fender eliminator on top of that, finished off with some washers inside. Just compare the size of these to the hardware provided. As you can see, they are probably a good 1/4 inch plus, so hopefully we can squeeze in the fender eliminator too. I'll take off the other two. Okay, I got the bolts out. Be very careful. There's actually a frame rail here. It's a tube, and one of the bolts went in there, and so I fiddled with that for 20 minutes. But as you can see here from the diagram, it goes bolt with a washer, and then rack underneath the tail there, and then just your fender or your license plate bracket. So we'll go ahead and do that. Put my washer down. This is just hanging, so the only way it's gonna actually grab is when I screw it through the license plate bracket, and I'm gonna use this. And then I got a semi-bite on that one. You just get them on. I'll just show you the place where I lost the bolt. It's in here, and you want to be very careful again, because the rack is not threaded, but the license plate bracket is threaded, so that's what you're getting your bite on. So you get very careful putting this nut back. This guy on looks really good, pretty solid. Maybe a couple bungees and some gear, and I'll be rolling. So check that out. It actually was $65 off of eBay, and this is an H2C Honda Grom rack.